In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and use dual screen on your BenQ board. It's a great way to expand your workspace, keeping your lesson on one screen while showing student work or reference material on another, or even go big by duplicating your BenQ board on a projector in an auditorium. You can set up dual screen by connecting your main display to a secondary display using either a USB-C cable or an HDMI cable. Then go in Settings, tap Display, go to Advanced Settings, select your output that you're using, whether it's HDMI or Type-C, and ensure that the dual screen feature is toggled on. To open the dual screen interface, simply open the sidebar and tap on the dual screen icon. From here, you can choose between two modes. The first option is Duplicate, which mirrors your main screen. This is useful when connecting your BenQ board to a large projector or display if you are in an auditorium so everyone can see clearly. The second option is Extend. This allows you to expand your workspace across two displays. For example, you can open InstaShare 2 on your secondary display, and you can open EasyWrite on your main display. If you are using another BenQ board as a secondary display, you can even control the secondary display directly. Note that if you are using an HDMI cable, you need to connect a USB-B cable between the board. Make sure that you are using the touch port associated with their HDMI port, HDMI 1 with Touch 1, etc. We also recommend using the same model and size for an optimal touch experience. Dual screen lets you display more and work across two screens with ease. Try these options to find the setup that works best for your classroom. If you want to learn more about the BenQ Board Pro RPO 5, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.